Hello, I'm FlyLady Kat. Welcome to my Patreon channel. I made this channel for one reason. I have been a FlyLady mentor for a while and have handled as much as 40 people a week in personal mentoring. And that takes a lot of time and a lot of energy. And I wanted to reach more, but I just couldn't reach more. It was something that I didn't have enough time. There were time limits on how much I could do. So I decided that I would start a YouTube channel, which I did. And at this recording, I have over 12,000 people that are subscribed to that channel, and I'm helping those people. And I'm very happy for that increase in my territory. I am. But I wanted to do even more like the mentoring that I did, that I am still doing. I have a very small load. I take 3 people right now, so I have time to do this as well. But I'm reaching 12,000 people versus 40, but wanted it to go a little deeper, because on the personal mentoring, you go a little deeper. You handle each person's individual situations and challenges and thoughts and ways they do things, and help them be the true CEO of their home, not some generic home, their home. So I wanted to do that with you on this Patreon channel. So as a patron, you're going to get 5 recordings a week, and that's Monday through Friday, that will take you a little deeper, a little bit deeper. Now, I still encourage you to watch the daily videos on the YouTube channel to keep yourself up, and it may not be exactly like the way they're recorded. You might do things a little bit differently, but that's okay. As long as you're following the general system, you'll get the results without all the anxiety. And also the 3 live videos go a little deeper. And if you're wanting to watch those, I encourage you to do that. But as a Patreon channel watcher or a patron, you'll be getting the little bit deeper videos every week, where we go a little bit deeper into some life coaching things and housekeeping things, FlyLady system things, just different things. So I hope that you enjoy being a patron. I'm so happy that you are. Know for a fact that I read very carefully every comment. Sometimes I'll just give you a little heart, but most of the time I try to make a comment back. I hope this is helpful for you, and I'm so glad you're here. God bless you, and remember that you are beautiful.